Hello everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's session, I'm sharing how to become a master in data structures and algorithms. Data structures and algorithms play a major role in implementing software and hiring process as well. Then you may have doubt why we need data structures and algorithms and how data structures and algorithms can help the programmer. Product-based companies interview process also, they are mainly focused on data structures only instead of languages and frameworks. As a software developer, if you are good in data structures and algorithms, then you can make it right decision to solve the problems efficiently. So that is the reason major product-based companies are looking for who are strong in data structures and algorithms concept. So that is the reason I'm going to share you this video, is very helpful for beginners as well as experienced candidates. So I am sharing with free resources to learn data structures and algorithms concept, both English version and Hindi version. Okay, now let us see how to become master in data structures and algorithm concept. First, you have to pick one programming language, either it is C++ or Java. Then before jumping into data structures and algorithm concept, first you have to learn time and space complexities. Okay, you must understand the concepts of time and space complexities. So after learning time and space complexity, then first you have to learn data structures concept. Initially you have to start with the arrays concept. Okay, and then linked list, stack, queue, hash table, trees, graphs and heaps. Okay, you have to practice while you are learning. At the same time you have to do practice as well with the time and complexity. For each and every data structure you have to implement with the time and space complexity. Then you can understand which data structure is working perfectly at what situation. Okay, how much time which data structure is taking, is occupied which data structure, then you clearly understand if you do practice with each individual data structure by implementing time and space complexity. And you have to implement all algorithms for each individual data structures concept. Okay, after comfortable with the data structures concept, then you can move to algorithms concept. So first you have to learn arrays algorithms like bubble sort, selection sort, merge sort, quick sort, insertion sort. Okay, and at the same time you have to learn time complexity and worst and average cases as well. You have to implement worst and average cases as well for sorting technique. And you have to learn searching algorithms like binary search. So after comfortable with these algorithms, then you have to learn recursion. What is recursion? And you have to implement all sortings, bubble sort, selection sort, merge sort, quick sort with recursions as well. Okay, so the best website, the best resource for data structures concept is GeeksForGeeks, GFG. Okay, I will provide the link in the video description. You can check it out. Okay, so if you want to watch videos for these data structures and algorithms in English version, then my opinion is mycodeschool YouTube channel is there. Then you can watch all videos. If you want to learn in Hindi, then WithHarry. So he is also an excellent trainer. Explain each and every topic with clean. You can learn data structures and algorithms concept. So after comfortable with data structures and algorithms concept, okay, so then do practice. Each and every day do practice. Okay, first to try with your approach, at least get some correct output. Okay, so then think for optimized solution. Practice each and every day, then you will become a master in programming. This is a learning path to be master in data structures and algorithms. Okay, so if you really like this video, please share to your friends. Okay, so thank you for watching.